if it's not giving this anti vibe, then it's not just giving the vibe. Check it out. This is a crochet, if you must know. So if attachment is 5k, I don't care. Alright, so let's see how we get to this point. If you like what you saw here, drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Okay, so let's dive straight into how we are. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by today. If you see me for the first time, meet me. I am Enetina, and this is what we do here. We try to make ourselves look beautiful. So on today's video, guys, you're gonna be doing this crochet you saw previously. It's actually a crochet, you know. So this is how we started. I parted the hair into 3 sections for easy working. Then I started parting each into 2 actually. Yeah, you can do this as much as you want. If you want it tinier, if you want it bigger. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using. The hair wax I'll be using actually. Okay, so I have already applied the hair wax, and as you can see, it's already put together. So I'm cutting this to give me that line, that beautiful line that gives the hair the actual vibe. So move along with me and see how we're doing it. And if you see me for the first time, please don't make it your last. Subscribe to the channel and let's get it rolling. So if you want to do it on your own, or you're actually a stylist and you're looking for how to minimize costs, how to give your client something beautiful to slay with, then you should stay here by subscribing and keep your notification button on so you get notified whenever I post a video. So if this looks nice, like what you're interested in, then you definitely keep watching. So I'm done with the front part. Now let me part the back. Okay, as you can see, it's still into 2. You can actually part this back side into 3 if you so wish, just to make it stay put together very well. Okay, but for me, I'm doing 2. All right, so I'm just applying the hair wax to help stick everything together. As you know, the use of hair wax already. So this is what it is at the moment. So I'm going to be sectioning this part as well, just like I did at the front. And don't forget, we're not using rubber band today actually. Yep, we are using thread, like sewing thread. Yeah, that's what I'm using for this hairstyle, because I want it to really hold and last longer, because I don't want to have that rubber band pieces on my hair. If you know what it means, if you know what I mean. Okay, so I'm using thread actually, sewing thread exactly. So I'm gonna be doing this for the back. I've done this side, so I'll finish up this side. As you can see, we're moving so fast. So this next section now is the putting together of everything. Okay, so this is how I actually did the cornrow. Is it a cornrow? Is it a talking? Anyone you call it though, but the main thing here is look at my hands and understand how I fondle this hair, how I cornrow this hair actually. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this for the 6th part. Yes, actually it's now 6 parts because 2 at the back, 4 at the front. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this round every of the hair I parted. Okay, if that makes sense. It's giving already. Look at that. It's really looking beautiful already. So we're still on it. So when we are done doing this back, we're just gonna move right to the front. I've done some off camera, but we're gonna be doing some again. So if you're here to get it right, then get it with the next place we are going to work out. All right, so when I'm done doing this, I'm actually going to put everything together, like all the 6 parts I have been able to cornrow together. I'm going to join them together and braid it together. Okay, so you keep watching. So finally we are here and we are doing the crocheting. So this is how we crochet it, because I joined everything together. I'm not crocheting to the braided part in the middle. Okay, I hope you like what you saw. Don't forget to turn on the notification button if you have subscribed, and if you're here to do so, please do so you can actually know whenever I post a new video. And I hope you love what you see. So try it out on your next beauty routine. You can use any crochet of your choice. You can actually use a wave-on for this, and don't worry, I'll still show you some other things you can actually use to style this and look so beautiful. The essence here is to cut costs and at the same time look beautiful. And at the end, wow,